guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making some Mexican style nachos. For today's recipe, we're going to be using these ingredients here. We have some tortilla chips, some refried beans, taco seasoning, guacamole, some melted cheese, sour cream, Mexican shredded cheese, ground beef, and spices so that you can season to taste. The first step to make our nachos is to cook our ground beef. We have a pan with some oil heating up. We're going to put the ground beef in it, season it with 1 pack of the taco mix, and then we're going to season to taste with a little bit of garlic, onion, black pepper, and some Italian seasoning as well. Once our meat is looking like this, we're gonna go ahead and put in our taco seasoning along with the other seasonings that we have. Okay guys, now that our meat has been cooked and seasoned, we are ready to put the nachos together. Personally, what I like to do is I like to put the chips first and then start adding the ingredients. Other people do it differently, but that's how we do it here. I heated up our refried beans, and what I like to do to them is add a little bit of seasoning. I added a little bit of salt, a little bit of onion and garlic powder, and I just mixed it all together. And then we go ahead and we add some guacamole, and in this case we're going to be adding some white queso already melted, just to add a little bit of extra flavor. have our finished results. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe for more. Let's see how I did. Excellent.